Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are doing good. It's a beautiful day in Cape Town. So I sent out a poll in the public group, and then for currencies to be voted for, we're going to be doing a midweek market focus. So GJ and GU were the ones with the highest votes. So I'm going to be focusing on that. So let me waste no time. I just woke up, guys. Yeah. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure that I record this video before London Open. So GJ, looking at GJ, we just broke this area here, right? And then the market yesterday came back. Sorry, the market came back, and then I think I mentioned this on Sunday that if we break this area, this is going to be the area to look for buys, right? So which the market also came back here and then bounced, but we didn't retest. But then if you go to lower time frame, you would have been able to catch an entry around this area. And then the market push up. So now what we're waiting for now to happen is that the market is bullish, right? So what I see in front of me, the market is bullish. So I can just expect the market to kind of like push back to this support, retest, and then we go to the upside, right? Remember on Sunday, I mentioned that my target for GJ is still around this area, right? So this is where I'm going to be targeting. As soon as price come back and then reject, yeah, no, then give me signs to look for buys. Because one thing that I need to mention, when price comes to this area, I won't just buy, right? I won't just buy. So just make sure that you look for confluences when the market is around here, and then you can start looking for buy, right? And yeah, let me just go to 1 hour and see. Yeah, price is gonna be more like creating a inverted and shoulder, right? Yeah, something like this, and then we continue. But that's what I'm looking for on GJ, for price to come back at this area, retest, give us confirmation, and then we buy this market to this area. So that's gonna be it on JJ. Let me go to GU, GBPUSD. Sorry, for hour. This is another one. I was looking for buy around here, and then I did say that if price, no, this was here. I said you need to pay attention to this area where price is currently at, because on Sunday when I recorded, price was there, and then when you open, we kept to the upside, and then we came back, and then I think I took a buy around here, and then I was take it out and break even. So and then yeah, and then I took another buy on another pair, which took me out. So and then I took a sell yesterday on GJ and NZJPY, which played out. So on this one, on GU, what you need to expect is currently now the price is doing what we expected to do on Sunday, right? Where if this area doesn't hold, we're going to break and come in, play around this area, right? So what happened is that, so we had this head and shoulder, and then price dropped to the downside, you know, and now we're currently rejecting in this area, right? So for me, while we're rejecting at this area, let me just quickly remove everything here. So I'm gonna remove that. So let me just leave this one here. And now where price is currently at, I will put this here, and this will become a support, right? Become a support. And I know we have this area here that we just broke, but now looking at what price is currently doing here, right? I will remove this, and then this will become my support. And this is where I'm gonna start looking for confirmation for buys, right? I'm gonna start looking for confirmation for buys, unless we broke down here and then I get like price pushing to the downside here and then coming back to retest, then I'm gonna start looking for sells. But then if London open and then we're still above this area, then start looking for buys. what you can look for here is a double bottom. Yeah, you can just look for a double bottom around this area. Let me just go to 4 hour quickly. Sorry, 1 hour. Let me look for a double bottom there. As you also can see, yeah. So if price is still above this area for me, then I'm looking for buys, right? So you can just look for a double bottom, and then you can start looking for entries. And then what you could also look for other confluences is if you're using MAs. I took my MAs out. So if you're using MAs, you can also like look at your MAs if they're crossing. But I think I have them on my MT4 on my phone. Let me just check quickly. Just wanna see what are the MAs that you can use for confluences. All right, let me go to GU. Okay, MAs, indicators. So you can look for a moving average 18, and then the method is simple, apply to close. And then the other one will be moving average 8, period 8, exponential, something like that, and then apply to close. So the other one is applied to simple, and the other one is applied to close. So 8 is applied to exponential, and then 8 is method is 18, but they both apply to close. I think I said it right. So let me just quickly put a note here so that you guys can get it. I speak so fast, my mind is still fresh, so sorry about that. So EMA 1, which is going to be 18, and then it's apply to close, and then EMA 8, apply to close. Yeah, same thing. Yeah, this is going to be dash simple and MT4, and this one dash expo. Yeah, there we go. So I just want to keep the video short as possible so that I can quickly upload this and then be able, so that you guys can be able to watch it before London Open. Right. So yeah, these are the images that you can just plot and see if 8 is above 18 around these areas. We just also like this is another confluences to look for buys, and also get a double bottom, then we buy. That's it. Simple as that. Let's go to yeah, that's it on GU. But then the moment we break this area, then we're gonna start looking for salts. But for now, we are currently sitting around here, right? So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. And I will say the moment London open, you're gonna be able to know which area to go. What's the time now? 6 o'clock. Which London opens at 8. The next 2 hours, at least you're gonna have enough data. The next 2 hours, you're gonna have enough data to know which direction the market will go, right? So yeah, that should be it, guys, for this midweek market focused. And then let's go to just quickly see on GJ. Oh, sorry, keep on doing the same thing. GBPJPY. Yes, yeah, that's it. Cheers, guys.